In this video, I'll show you how to purchase your Fiverr's Profem Challenge using crypto. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important information. This is my Binance account and you can see here I have $46 worth of USDT in my USDT wallet. So the first thing is to have money in your wallet. If you're in Nigeria and you don't have money in your Binance account, you can also use Bybit where you can exchange a Naira for USDT via P2P. So make sure you have the money in your USDT wallet before you proceed. So the next step is to log into their website. I have the link in my description, so just click on that link. It will take you to their website. So this is their website here. The next step is to click on these three lines where the arrow is pointing at. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page. The next step is to click on this quick start where the arrow is pointing at. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Just wait for it to load. After loading, it will show you where you have to sign up with them. Go ahead and input your personal information and stuff. Then click on it, sign up with them. After signing up with them, the next step is to go ahead with the purchase. The next step is to select the program you want to purchase. For me, I'm going for High-Stakes. This has two-step evaluation. So I'll go ahead and click on where the arrow is pointing at. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So you have to choose the account size you are purchasing. For me, I'm going for the first one, which is 5K. The account starts from 5K to 100K. So just go ahead and scroll up. You'll see other options. Since I'm going for the account size of 5K, I'll go ahead and click on select where the arrow is pointing at. When you click on it, it will take you to a page where you have to input your personal details. So just go ahead and input all your personal details. When you're done, go ahead and tick the two boxes down below. And after that, click on place order now where the arrow is pointing at. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Just go ahead and scroll down to select payment method. So you can see here the first payment method we have is Visa/MasterCard. If you're in Nigeria, you can't go for this one because they don't accept a local card. So the option we are going for is this one called Confirmo. So where the arrow is pointing at, just go ahead and click on it. Then click on purchase now. When you click on it, wait for it to load, then it will bring you to this page. Go ahead and click on purchase now. Next step is to click on the first option, which is Tether USD. Go ahead and click on it, that's USDT. When you select the first option, it will bring you to this page where you have to select the network. So go ahead and click on the network you'll be using. I'm going for the second option, that is Arbitrum 1. You can see here the first option you need to pay like 45 almost 46 USDT for this, but the second option is 39.11 USDT, which is fair enough. So I'm going to click on the second option, which is Arbitrum 1. Go ahead and do the same thing. Click on it. When you click on it, it automatically generates the wallet address you are to use and also the total amount you have to pay. Go ahead and copy the wallet address and the total amount you have to pay. For me, I will just copy the wallet address first. So go ahead and click on this box you are seeing here to copy the wallet address. When you copy it, take it to your Binance account or your Bybit account. For me, I'm using Binance account. So here in my Binance account, what I'm going to do is to click on the USDT wallet. Go ahead and do the same thing. This first option is my USDT wallet, so I'll go ahead and click on it. Do the same thing. Click on your USDT wallet. It will bring you to this page. Go ahead and click on the USDT option again and this will pop up. So the first one is what you are going to go for, which is send via crypto network. Go ahead and click on the first option here where this beautiful hand is pointing at. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Just wait for it to load. So here is where you are going to input your address, your network, and the withdrawal amount. So the wallet address you copied from their website, you are going to paste it on this first option which says address. Go ahead and paste your wallet there. Proceed to the next option to select your network. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be asked to choose the network. So guys, pay attention to this. Make sure you are choosing the same network you generated your wallet address. I don't know if that makes sense. You know, we generated a wallet address for Arbitrum 1. So when you are choosing the network, make sure you are choosing the same network here, which is Arbitrum 1. So I'll go ahead and click on where this beautiful hand is pointing at. So this is Arbitrum 1. Go ahead and do the same thing. Click on it. You can see here we have the network here called Arbitrum 1. The next step is to proceed to the amount. Go ahead and copy the amount you are to pay and paste it on this withdrawal amount. So I've copied mine. I'll go ahead and paste it here. Another thing you need to pay attention to here is the amount. Look at here, you've pasted the same amount, but if you are looking at it below, look at this one below here, where this beautiful hand is pointing at, you'll see that the network fee is 0.17 USDT. And the receive amount is 38.939925 USDT. You can see that it's not up to the main amount you have to pay, which is 39 points whatever. So if you should click on withdraw, the amount that is going to be sent to their wallet will not be up to the amount you're using to purchase this. So you have to include the network fee of 0.17 USDT. So the amount they ask you to pay, go ahead and add 0.17 USDT as a network fee. So by the time they withdraw the network fee of 0.17, you will have the accurate amount sent to their wallet. With this, you'll not receive a message of insufficient funds, so make sure you include the network fee. So I'll go ahead and use my calculator to punch the total amount they want me to pay and to also include the 0.17 USDT as the network fee. Whatever I have as my result is what I'm going to input as my withdrawal amount. With this, I have the accurate amount they'll receive in their wallet. If you look closely, you'll see the receive amount is 39.109952 USDT. The next step is to click on the withdraw button where this beautiful hand is pointing at. When you click on it, just wait for it to load. After loading, it will bring you to this page where you have to click on confirm. I'll go ahead and click on confirm, then verify my passkey. After verifying my passkey, it will automatically process the withdrawal. When you are done, go back to their website and wait to receive their notification. This is not going to take up to 10 minutes, okay? So just come back to their website and wait for them to process it. You can see here they are confirming it and the next notification is paid. So I have successfully purchased my 5K account and this is going to reflect in my account. Let me show you. Before we proceed, if you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please consider clicking on that subscribe button and also like the video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Okay, so now it's processing, so just wait for it to process. The next notification you will receive is, thank you for your purchase. Your order is being processed and will be ready in a few minutes. So you can see here is 5K high stakes challenge I purchased with $39. The currency is USDT. Discount is 0%. The credit applied is 0 points. The fee is 0. Subtotal is $39. You can see here, right? So this is the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.